Ka kun New Trap National Awakening Movement KHNAM kala Byrngem ban mudui da ka mukotduma lada ka Sorkar jela kadang penslam ban kyntiew ya kador bainong sngi ka barit jong ki nongbylla minimum wage sya kador ka ban yahap bat ka rukom ka bamenta KHNAM ban pentre kam ya ka jingtmu jong ka Minimum Wages Act 1948. Lada ondang penslam ngin hak ban syem da kelenti jong ka an namar ka Sorkar jela kala penkenya ke kendon section 3B jong ka Minimum Wages Act 1948 namar ka jingbom la ban kyntiew ya ka bainong sngi wat hadin san snem ong working president ka KHNAM uba Thomas pasa hadin bala IT ya ka shiti sya ka tenat labor haka khatwei terik nok pra Ula ong ru ba ka jing penkiu ka ba khaddu ka bainong ka de na du usnem arjar khat prang kata ka balayai palat ya ka san snem kat kum ka jing pridak da ka act ban kyntiew ya ka bainong ya ki nongbylla ki bahap ha ka thup kum ki unskilled semi skilled skilled but highly skilled category Kumta ka ni ka long ka babian bat ngila kerpat ka tenat labor bakan kemi halor ka ni ka kam bat penti kena halor ka jing penkiu ya ka dor bainong sngi ka badai ban long kat kum ka jing long ka yo ka hat bat kat kum ka rukom ong uba pasa ha benrap ka tenat labor kala pentip syangi bakila pendep ya ka kam bat kila dep IT ya ka jing terwa sya ka tenat finance bat ka ni ka kam kadang sakut bat ka Sorkar jela Kum taru ngila kentu ya ka Sorkar jela bakan ni ka di ka benta ka bagkongsan namar ka kta ya ki babun ba ki long ying long siam hapo ka jela nga tharai baka kham kongsan bar ya ki tamasaru kum tangi kentu ya ka Sorkar bakan khmi no mardor ya ka ni ka kam ula benram hakajuk ka por ka KHNAM kala kentu ru baka labor bureau kala pulom ban penya ya ka jingwat benya halor ka jingkiu dor jong ki mar ki mata hapo ka jela Hashwa bukan ajing mut hakaban penkiu ya ka Viable Dearness Allowance VDA kumbala ka daw ka Act 1948.
The latest notification issued by the Labour Department on the 3rd of December 2024, wherein the Labour Department has hiked the VDA, the Variable Dearness Allowance, as mandated by the Minimum Wages Act 1948. After we have seen the notification, we have seen that they have hiked the VDA by ₹2. And if we go by the Act, by the 1948 Act, whenever VDA is to be hiked, it has to be based on the market value. And the Labour Bureau has to conduct a study to see the inflation rate, the increase in the daily living. And based on that, the Labour Bureau will suggest to the Labour Department by how much amount is the VDA to be increased, which is done on a routine practice every 6 months as mandated by the Act. So from our side, we have submitted a representation to the Labour Department wherein we have stated that the ₹2 hike they have increased this time in the VDA proves that the Labour Bureau has not done its studies at the ground reality. They have not done a proper studies of the inflation in the state. Therefore, we have requested the Labour Department to relook into this and to ensure that the VDA increases at least is of some help to the daily wages labourer. And the part 2 is that we have informed to the Labour Department that the Labour Department on the government of Meghalaya has violated the section 3 subsection B of the Minimum Wages Act 1948. As per this section, the basic minimum wages, the Labour Department is to increase maximum by every 5 years. The Act states that the basic wages for the unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled and the highly skilled category, the government, state government may increase in 2 years or 3 years, but maximum within 5 years. And we have found out that the last basic hike done by the government was back in 2018, which has crossed the 5 years mandate given by the Act. Therefore, this is unlawful, and we have requested the Labour Department to look into the matter, and we have reminded them that in almost 2 months back, we have come to this office and we have submitted a representation demanding the hike of the basic rate as per the market value available now, as per the present living standard. And from the Labour Department, they have informed us that they have completed their homework and they have submitted their proposal to the Finance Department, and the matter is pending with the government. Therefore, we urge upon the government that this is an important aspect. This affects many households in the state, and I think this is more important than festivals also. So we urge upon the government to immediately look into the matter, because if there's any further delay, we will have to take legal action, because the state government has violated the section 3 subsection B of the Daily Wages Act 1948. We will see the development from here on, and we'll follow it up with the government.